Hi there, welcome to Huffman Coding. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem Huffman decoding. Um, Huffman core algorithm is used to compress the value. Compress the it's just lossless compression to do some data. Also, as in my MC days, I heard JPEG using the Huffman algorithm. Okay, JPEG is using Huffman algorithm to compress the JPEG image data. Okay, let's solve how to solve this problem. Let's check. Okay, I'm not going to explain what is Huffman decoding and all things, but how it is working, I will explain. Okay, 1. In this case, when value is 1, then we need to traverse to right subtree. If it is 0, we need to traverse to left subtree. That is the half my tree. Okay, this is one string you receive, and you need to decode this. So 1. When 1 is that, then you need to traverse to right subtree. So you will get A. So A. Then 0, you traverse to left. It is not a leaf. Then you traverse to one more time. It went to here. It's a leaf node. So you receive B. And then now again you receive 1. You traverse to right subtree and you reach to leaf. It is leaf. So A. Then you receive 0. You traverse to left subtree and it is not a leaf. Then 1. Then you traverse to here, you reach leaf node, and it is C. So C. And again you reach to root node and you receive 1. Then you traverse to right subtree and you reach a leaf node and it is A. Like that. Okay, let's solve this problem. This is for traverse, I mean character by character traversal of string. While I less than less not. So you need a node reference for traversal and coding is T root while T I less than less length. You need a character equal to T data if s of I equal to 1, we need to go to right node T right, else T equal to T left. Okay. Oh, one more string data if T C equal to T data else data is equal to C and break. Okay. Just try this. Hmm. Okay. Okay, one more condition we need to here. If see. Okay, it's working fine. Now submit. Yep, it's worked. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the show. If you enjoy, please like, subscribe, and if you are not like, then tell me why.